To take a picture by using voice command on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the voice command option is on. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under General section, tap Setting Method. And then tap the gray on off switch next to voice commands until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key twice to go back to the camera viewfinder. Point your camera to the object you like to capture and then say one of the default voice commands to take a picture. Smile. As you can see, your phone will automatically take a picture each time you say one of the default voice commands. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.